If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezeanumba the First, Metal of Ebeonadi 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebeonadi 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
And I want to tell you that you are busy today. We attract a huge blessing to us, both academically, socially, and otherwise. So once again, we welcome the staff of Ebeonadi FM, one of the FM we cherish so much in Nigeria. Once again, you are welcome in Jesus' name. I will hand them the mic to tell us certain things that will be of great help to us. And when they will be talking, if I get somebody making noise, I wouldn't mind plugging you in their presence. Let me say it for the final time. You know what I can do? When they begin talking, if I get anybody murmuring, I can plug you. I will plug you in a way that you don't forget your life. Just mark my word. So when they'll be talking to us, may we listen to them, and after you can ask them questions. Once again, you are welcome in Jesus' name. None.
Thank you so much, Father. I want to say thank you for the welcome, the singing and everything. Thank you so much for having us here. But first, I would like to tell you that what we are doing right here, right now, we've done in other schools. I'm speaking, so we'll listen. So we've done in other schools. It is for your sake, for you to get better. I and Father has talked about it for a long time, that now we have the opportunity to do something about it. Let me start by telling you that my name is Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezeanumba the First, the one that called better. Thank you. So the thing is, we are here to talk about self-discovery. If you have discovered who you are, because if I should ask someone now, who are you? The person will just say their name. For example, who are you? So it throws people into confusion. At the time when you ask someone, who are you? They will say their name, or they might just say, I'm a student, or say something. But when someone asks you, who are you? The person is expecting you to tell them who you are, what you are doing here on earth, your mission here on earth. So if I should ask any of you now, what is your mission on earth? Can anybody answer it here? Can anybody answer here? You, get up. Answer, your name. Okay, so the essence there is to get you to understand exactly who you are, what you are supposed to be doing here on earth. So Ebeonadi FM came up with a project. The project is basically about supporting students, trying to get them to understand exactly what they are supposed to be doing. It is more of a talent hunt program, a project that will enable you to be who you are supposed to be. So we have rooms for people who want to, enhance acting skills, singing, anything you can do. Anything that is your talent, that thing that God gave you to come and exhibit here on earth. Ebeonadi FM is giving you opportunity for you to enhance that through what we do, what we call radio drama, and some other things that we'll introduce in order to enhance your skills and talents. But aside from that, this one is like a personal one for father, a situation whereby he wants to develop you people in the aspect of ICT, information communication technology. We've been talking about it for a long time. Over time, I've helped him train some people when it comes to film editing, video coverage, you know, a lot of things that you can learn now. Once you have it as a skill, you can use it to train yourself through higher institution if you want to. So
if you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezeanumba the First, Metal of Ebeonadi 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebeonadi 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
here is an opportunity for you to become who you are supposed to become. So we are giving that opportunity, and we want anyone who wants to exhibit any skill. If you know that God gave you a gift, a special gift, let me see your hands up. If you know you are special and God gave you a special gift, let me see your hands up. Okay. Yes, almost everybody. Some people still don't believe that they have special gifts. So if I should ask you, what is that special gift? What will you say? What is that special gift? What is the special gift? Singing. You see? So that's exactly what we are talking about. If you're interested, anyone you are interested in, you will go to her and register your name. For the acting aspect and everything that has to do with your talents, that one is quite different. And then if you want to know about film editing and every other thing that I talked about, video coverage, information communication technology, you getting grounded in it, that one is also a different ballgame too. So anyone you want to register, you register with us, but it will cost you, because for you to get something that is this valuable, it will cost you something for you to get it. That of your acting skills and all of that, 5,000 naira. Yes. And when you do, listen up, when you do, you are getting a book. You get a book. And that of female victim and all of that, that one is a private one. We'll talk about that one differently. But that's all I have to say. But I will invite your teacher to talk to you too, to explain further. Teacher.
People can go near Kao. Before the second speaker, I will say, quiet, please. Quiet, please. If you are making noise, come here, you. Come here. So I think dear brother Honorable Ifeanyichukwu Metal, most of you, or many of you, have been hearing him, but I've not seen him. But most of you who tune Ebeonadi FM, all the time we hear them. It's a very wonderful and impressive radio station. So let me bring down all he has said in a few minutes. They want to train some of us to be like them, to challenge the world in all aspects of our life. Now, both drama, all those talents you have, they will harness them, they will help you ibi na nwere ike le isoro kwuo na-eme ma ibu ma redio program a maka ihe ndị a niile. So na ọ bụ na onye nkụzi anyị bụ nkịta because a chọrọ ka some of our students ka a na-anụ olu anyị na redio ma drama a na-eme ebe ahụ unu ga na-esozi were eme ya ma debate a ga na-emezi ebe ahụ unu ga na-emezi debate afọ ọya pipa na-ekwu na-achọrọ ka unu emezi unu ka unu dị internationally recognized ọya pipa na-ekwu so ka anyị gezie nwanne anyị nwaanyị ntị. So anyị chọrọ ama na ụlọ chọrọ ka a na-arụ ọrụ n'ụwa niile ị na-asụ oyibo ị na-asụ pịa ị na-emeke na ị na-asụ pịa asụmisi azọ nchọwara aka mgbe ka a ga-esi ntị ka ọ kọwala anyị ka a ga-esi wee mee ọnụ ka ọnọdụ ezie kapa ị na-asụ oyibo nwa niile a na-enene gị na-enene gị ma na Facebook ma na Instagram ma na everywhere. So ka a ga-esi ntị.
Great Asante students. Great Asante students. Great Asante students. That's very good. You're wonderful and excellent. That you look out. I love it. As in, to explain how you look.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezeanumba the First, Metal of Ebeonadi 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebeonadi 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.